Hi everyone, welcome back to Yarbo Factory channel. This is Jackson, and today we've got something special for you guys. We're visiting our Yarbo General Factory, where all the parts from a different factory come together for the final assembly of your Yarbo. So let's get started. Here we are at the Yarbo Factory. This is where it all starts. The receiving area where every single part from our cameras to tow hitch arrives here. Let's go. Now we're at the assembly line, the heart of our operations. Here, our technicians and engineers work side by side, assembling the Yarbo core, lawn mower, snow blower, attaching the modules to make sure everything fits perfectly. And there you have it, the full assembled Yarbo ready to move on to the next step. But the process doesn't stop there. After assembly, every Yarbo goes through a detailed quality check to ensure it meets our high standard. So for the quality check, we start with a visual inspection, and then we're gonna install the firmware and nesting code. Next, we calibrate the cameras, check for OTA updates, run a self-diagnostic, and test the app connection. This is our automatic track test. Yarbo will be lifted up and keep running for the next 24 hours. This process is to ensure there will not be any problem with the gear and track before it comes to you and work for even decades. Next, Yarbo will be tested in the snow house, where it needs to challenge multiple snow sweeping tests. In a temperature of -11 degrees, there are so many challenges such as thick snow, thin snow, wet snow, soft snow, hard snow, and so on. And this is our autonomous program testing area. As you can see, Yarbo is actually walking south. So we set up this square. Yarbo won't leave this area, and until that's the docking station when it's low battery, Yarbo's gonna go back to charge. This test takes around 10 minutes per run for the autonomous program. At the end, Yarbo will go back and recharge itself and turn the lights off. Really cute, right? Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Yarbo content. And also don't forget to like, share, leave comments below. We love hearing from you, and that's all for today's video. So thanks for joining us today at Yarbo Factory. This is Jackson from Yarbo. I'll see you guys next time.